Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to SimplyWork. It's a very simple and quick step. All you gotta do is follow along. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap in there and type in SimplyWork login since we're going to log in. And hit enter. Now you may come across various sites like even with the same name, but you have to make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here at the very first, and you'll be greeted with your login page. Now in here, you know what to do. You have to fill in with your credentials that is associated with the account and your password. And that's it. If you forgot your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option that clearly says forgot your password in a blue lettering. You have to tap into that. And that's it. In order to log in, you know what to do. You have to simply tap into that option, button that says log in, and you'll be logged into your SimplyWork account. Logging into SimplyWork account is as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. If you have any queries, questions, you name it, you can simply comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.